you've got to find the first three terms in these expansions. So a 1 plus alpha t to the power 5 will equal 1 to the power 5 plus there'll be 1 to the power 4 and alpha t to the power of 1. There'll be 5c one way is choosing that, and then 5c2 1 to the power 3 alpha t squared, which is 1 plus 5 times 1 times alpha t plus 5c2 is 10. So that'll be 10 times the 1 times alpha squared t squared. It's done the first one. And the second one, 1 minus beta t to the power of 8 will be 1 to the power of 8 plus, and that'll be 8c1 1 to the power of 7, and then minus beta t to the power of 1, and finally 8c2 1 to the power of 6 and minus beta t to the power of 2, and that equals 1, and this is going to be minus, so it'll be minus 8 beta t, and then that's 28, so it's plus 28 because negative beta squared is positive beta squared, so it's beta squared t squared. So I've done the first bit. Hence find in terms of alpha and beta the coefficient of t squared. So I don't need to look at anything else because anything else here, these obviously keep on going and they would definitely have t cubes in them and such like. So on t squared, the t cubes won't come into it. So I just need to times these together. So I get the first one, 1 plus 5 alpha t plus 10 alpha squared t squared, and I've got to times that by 1 minus 8 beta t plus 28 beta squared t squared, and I'm just looking at the t squared. So for t squared, how can I get that? Well, I can get the 1 times that, so I can get 28 beta squared t squared, or I could get the t term times the t term, so it's going to be a minus 5 eighths 40 alpha beta t squared, and the final way is this bit here, which is plus 10 alpha squared t squared. So the coefficient, and the coefficient, well, I might as well do it in alphabetical order, although Greek alphabetical order, so alpha, beta, gamma, delta, etc. So we got 10 alpha squared minus 40 alpha beta, and then plus 28 beta squared, and that is the coefficient of t squared, and that's done.